So one of your options can be a wig, and that's for your like everyday wear, or if you're ready to switch it up every day, if you don't want more of a permanent solution, I would say the wigs are a great option. But then there's also the Xtrands Plus, which I really love. It's custom, it's tailor-made, you know, it's tailor-made to your head and your face shape, your size, your color, you name it. The lace, the signature hairline, amazing. So when wearing Xtrands Plus, I never have to worry about my hair. It's definitely secured, and they definitely customize the adhesives to make sure that it holds, and that's what I love about that. I don't have to worry about my hair at all. Whichever you prefer, the wig or the Xtrands Plus, it's your choice.